Welcome back to the Outdoor Cook Shack. I know it's been a while, but I believe I have everything out here that I need. And tonight I'm doing chicken tenders, or some people call them chicken strips or chicken fingers. But I do call them chicken tenders because I'm using that nice piece from the chicken breast. I do have them seasoned with salt and pepper and some kickin' barbecue rub. I also have my flour seasoned. So first I'll go in the flour, shake off every bit of flour I can. Then I'm going to put them in an egg and buttermilk wash, and then in the panko. When you put them in the panko, just don't smash them in there. Kind of lightly bread them at first, then at the end give them a nice smash into the panko. I'll be adding panko breading as I need it. Then also what I'd like to do, or tell you about, is Thousand Island salad dressing. Try that on your chicken strips. We used to live in a town that had a bar. We're very well known for the chicken strips and their Thousand Island salad dressing, so it kind of got me started on it. Then also I seen Frank's Red Hot Sweet Chili Dippin' Sauce. So give that a shot. I do have my deep fryer preheated now to 350. Okay, here we go. I think I got everything ready. Go ahead and take the chicken tender, which is pre-seasoned. I'm just going to lightly get it in the flour. I don't want any extra flour at all. So I'm not going to smash it in at all or anything. Just want to make sure it's completely covered though. Definitely shake it all off. Right into the buttermilk. Then also let kind of drip off. Let's get another one. In the flour. This chicken tender's about ready to fall apart. Into the panko. Lightly toss them around in the panko also. I know I'm just going to end up using my hands here pretty quick. But I want to get enough panko on it. I just don't want to put them right in here and smash it in it, and that's what it is. So when you lightly toss them around like that at first, you're picking up more breading. Except on that spot I missed when I was holding it with the tongs. There we go. Set those guys off to the side. I do have the deep fryer preheating to 350. Into the flour. If I was doing more than one package of chicken tenders, I'd be using 2 boxes of panko breading. But now I'll just be using the one. And as far as cook time, I was going to start a timer. I will start a timer once I start cooking. But I'm not so concerned with the time either, because everybody's deep fryer is going to be a little different temp. Different fryer. So cook them until they're done. Which to me is I watch them as they start to float. You can see that happening. Yeah, I figure since I'm just doing the one package, I should be able to not use my hands. If I was doing more, I'd definitely be using my hands. The other thing I suggest doing right when you take them out of the fryer, season them again. There's Just make sure you got plenty seasoning, because you do lose quite a bit of it in that flour that you don't end up using. And it always seems like they need more seasoning. Okay, last two. Yeah, I think that's the key to keeping the breading to stick, is get that dusting and that flour down to it, just a light dust. A little extra thick buttermilk never hurt. You know, that sticks on there quite a bit. I've also been told and heard that if you leave a lot of that wash on there, that'll create a more crispy breading, which I haven't tried yet, so but you'll watch how these turn out. I think they're plenty crispy. Throw a little seasoning on top of them. Okay, they're all done. Let's go ahead and start frying them. I'm just going to do probably two per basket. And basically, once the baskets I got down, I'll just leave down and use the tongs to move them around. Start the timer. Give them a little shake, make sure they're not sticking to each other or the bottoms of the baskets. And I think I got room for these other ones. Let's go ahead and drop them. Here we are at 2.5 minutes, actually 2 minutes 40 seconds. Pretty much 3 minutes we're on now. See how nice you're looking? I think we're coming up on 5 minutes. I'm going to call them done. Get my seasoning ready, so I'm going to definitely give them a little touch of some of that kickin' barbecue. You can see how they're pretty much floating. I really can't see that on camera. Just right below the surface of the oil. Onto a paper towel. Sorry, a little klutzy. There you go. Let cool. I found out that this way the breading sticks the best. Should I show you how I did? We're at 7 minutes right now, and the start of the cooking time. Done nice. See how that chicken tender kind of tears open like that? That's how you can tell if it's a chicken tender or if it's just a piece of chicken breast cut into a strip, which I do not like. And normally when I go to a bar or a restaurant and they got homemade chicken strips, that's usually what they are. This is chicken breast cut into strips, and usually with some lousy breading. So if they say they're homemade, I don't get them. Definitely I'll let these cool a little bit. You guys, as always, if you like the video, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that like button. And Be ready for some more videos. I'm going to try this Frank's Red Hot Sweet Chili. Very good. As you can see, the breading did not pull off the chicken tender. It sticks to the meat. And that's due to the very light dusting of the flour at first. I'm going to double dunk maybe. And in the Thousand Island, if I have to buy it, which I usually do, is I try to find the one that's in the refrigerated section. Simple, easy chicken tenders. Thanks for watching.